Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome and I hope you will enjoy this video. Today we're going to talk about how to fold your towels. I'm sure everyone has been to a hotel or a spa and wondered how those towels were perfectly folded. Well, you can achieve that spa look even in your home, just paying attention to some small details. But let's jump right in and start folding towels. One important thing to note is to see where you are going to store your towels, whether these towels need to be hung or they're going to be stored away. And again, you have to take note if you're going to store them in a basket like this one, or maybe even in a cupboard, a linen closet, or if they will be going to be on the street. But let's start off with the first towel. It's also good to smoothen your towel. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to smooth the towel and fold. Fold in half, like this. And you have that nice fold. Again, we're going to have the towel, we fold it in half, again we fold it in thirds like this. But we're going to tuck this inside here. So it's perfectly folded and it's not going anywhere because everything has been tucked in here like a pocket. Again, so if you don't have lots of space or your shelves are not very deep, then you can fold it, or if you need to store it in a drawer, then you can fold it the KonMari way. Again, you fold the towel in half, you fold it in thirds, you fold it almost in half, then roll and roll again, and that way it will stand up perfectly. And even if you store it like this, it still is good. So let's talk about how to roll a towel now. And you fold it, and this applies to smaller towels as well. rolling your towel. This can be easily applied to beach towels as well. And you have your towel rolled out. So another way to roll your towels and you have them more firm is to roll them as well. So basically try and fold like this. Tuck them in, and your towel is perfectly rolled. And this is pretty helpful when for beach towels when you go to the beach. So now let me show you practical, like how you can store them into a pretty basket like this one, and the various methods. So we are now in the bathroom, so I'll show you how to hang your towels. This is pretty easy, but sometimes you need to spruce it up, especially if you're having guests at home, or even if you're selling your house. You need that your property looks tip-top shape, and obviously potential buyers will go into your bathroom, and it's nice to have, you know, pretty looking towels in your bathroom. There's nothing big, no much folding, nothing, just hanging your towels, paying attention to detail. So let me show you. So here my towel rack. So you just need to undo your towel, hanging back, making sure that if you have a pattern, it's on the front. Now this is a bath towel, but it's how it was folded, and you can grab your other towel, your hand towel, and put it on top of it to have a bit more of volume. Another way to hang your towels, so you open completely your towel, hold it against yourself. Now you can either put it as is along your rail and again putting your smaller towel Another way to hang your towel is doing the same thing, basically. So you fold it, making sure it's folded properly. You fold it not to the very bottom, so as you can see we have still some space. You go from the back of your towel rack and you just lay your towel so it creates a bit of more volume. And again you can place your other towel on top of it as well. So you've created some volume on your towels.